in Colorado this morning early. We're in southern Colorado, heading down the highway toward Texas with our Casita. Stay tuned for more. We've now made it to Houston and we're dropping off our Casita for safe storage. Time to go. We're heading east into Louisiana. We left Houston at about 4 a.m. and as we enter Louisiana with the sun rising, we're crossing over the Mississippi River about an hour from our destination.
What you got, Alan?
Got a new GeoPro. How about that? Just picked it up. Hi there. We just finished our first night in our brand new GeoPro 19 FD. We're at a nice little campground called Lakeside RV Resort in Livingston, Louisiana. We're going to have a full campground tour coming out, and we're going to have a full walkthrough of our new trailer coming out soon. Pulling the new RV is just a little bit different than pulling the Casita. I almost never felt the Casita behind our Jeep, but with this GeoPro I do feel it a little bit. I think it may be because of the weight distribution hitch. It transfers some of the weight up to the front axle of the Jeep. It's not much, but it is noticeable. I also think I feel more side wind on the trailer, like when an 18-wheeler is passing me, due to the higher sidewalls compared to the Casita's rounded walls. It'll just take a little getting used to. We're going to exit here, check the trailer, and have some lunch.
Lunchtime.
On the cup for me. Thank you. All right, let's have some lunch.
That was a good lunch.
Very good lunch. Let's get it ready to go.
That's part of the adventure.
Hey.
Stop along the side of the road. Actually, this is the visitor center. And you have your nice lunch. Then get back on the road and
Let's hit the road. Good chicken salad sandwich, chips, some Diet Coke. Cindy had lemonade. And we're ready to move it on down the road. Let's go. Well, it's been a while since we've made a live video, so we're a little out of practice. You know, back in 2019 we left the Grand Canyon heading toward Houston, Texas, because our oldest son and his wife were having a granddaughter. And they ended up having 2 granddaughters while we were down there. And we stayed down in Houston during COVID, because COVID hit and we wanted to help take care of the grandchildren, help our kids out. And so we were down there for a while. In the process, we sold our Casita because we weren't using it. We were just too busy. And now we're back in our home base in northern Colorado with our new GeoPro trailer. And we're looking forward to a lot more RV adventures. You know me, I like to modify trailers. I like to add things to them. I like to fix and repair things. So you're going to see a lot of those kind of videos on this channel like you have before. And a lot of travel videos. We're planning on exploring this great country of ours and beyond. So stay with us and keep tuned for more RV adventures.